Hey, it's Adeel Chowdhry here with an incredible private invitation for you. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to make tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions in just a few days? Would you like to win a brand new car and your share of tens of thousands of dollars in prizes that I'm giving away? If you're intrigued just a little bit, then keep on watching as I'm inviting you to promote my next global smash hit. It's called Prezentar. Now, this is the most amazing product launch that you're ever going to see, and I want you to be a part of it. I pulled out all the stops to create a real blockbuster of epic proportions, and I've never done anything like this before. It's a unique masterpiece that's going to put the biggest commissions you've ever made into your pocket. Now, if you don't already know me, I've been launching products online for over 10 years. I've got numerous #1 bestsellers and tons of 7-figure launches under my belt across multiple platforms. And I know what it takes to architect a launch that prints millions of dollars. I'm known for pushing the bar, and I'm the first to try new creative approaches that stand out from everyone else. See, I'm a visionary, I'm a perfectionist and an innovator. I don't do normal, and you'll see all my work copied all over the internet. And you can probably tell that I'm a little crazy just from this video. Now, my recent launch of Scribble was a worldwide phenomenon, selling over $1.3 million.
Okay, wait, I've got to pause the video right here just to tell you that sales for Scribble have actually gone up to over $4 million since I recorded the video recently.
Prezentar is going to do much more than this. Anyway, get back to the video.
And 18,000 units. It's won every single award that you can think of, and it's still imitated to this day. Pixel Studio FX before that also generated over $1 million in sales. So I know 100% that you'll make serious commissions with me on this. This time, I want to invite you to something much bigger, something that I've never done before, and join me to promote Prezentar, which I believe will be your biggest earner and my next $1 million smash hit. It's taken over a year to develop with a unique 6-figure budget. Now, I'm so confident that I'm giving away tens of thousands of dollars in real prizes, and the first place prize is a brand new car with absolutely no minimum sales thresholds. And it takes big balls to do that, but I love rewarding my affiliate partners, and with your support, we're gonna make this a massive one. Now, this is unique software with mass broad appeal. Everybody needs it. It creates amazing presentations in minutes using brand new technology, which I've developed from the ground up. It's perfect for creating slides, courses, webinars, tutorials, VSLs, pitch decks, and more with ease. Everybody needs it, including digital marketers, affiliates, coaches, teachers, companies, whether they're online or offline. See, when I launch, I spend a lot of love and time and detail putting together high quality marketing components with no expense spared. I spent at least $15,000 on the copy, $20,000 on the sales page and funnel graphic designs, $30,000 on the animation VSLs. Just this video alone that you're watching has cost $50,000 to produce. My sales funnels always convert better than most others, and you can generate up to $100,000 in commissions as my previous affiliates have. Now, I've got the best affiliate resources for you to use, including email templates, affiliate reviews, banners, graphics, Facebook posts, tweets, videos, and more. Now, what you need to do next is register your email address and get your affiliate link right away. Now, the buzz in the marketplace about Prezentar is on another level. So you need to start preparing and be ready to make the biggest commissions that you've ever made in your life. Check out the JV page for more details. I'm looking forward to your support and joining me on this incredible launch of Prezentar. So go ahead, register, and get your affiliate link right away.